Okay guys, hello again. This is jazzing up the bookcase. So I'm gonna make it look great again. So it looks good already. All I'm gonna do is put a liner or a border on the top of there, because apparently someone had glued the top of the bookcase. See that dry glue on the top? That's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to make it look better by putting a border. The same paper I used on the hutch. That's what I'm going to put on this one, so you hide all that over glue that is dried up there. So it looks very bad. So that's the only thing I'm going to do. Put a border just for it to look good and to be reused again, because pretty much the cherry wood book case looks really nice. So that's the only defect it has, but otherwise it looks really good. Okay, so this is the border that I chose to put on the top part of the bookshelf because of that dry glue overflow when I bought the shelf. So I put a border on it to cover that dry glue that I couldn't take off. But that gave it the more neat look to it. And now you can either paint the wood, but I chose not to paint it this time, and I just put a border on it. And now you won't be able to see the dry glue. So that's it for today, and that's the tall bookshelf. Now it's all ready to be used. Okay. Please click on the thumbs up, like button on your computer, and thank you for watching. See you next time.